In this tutorial, let's see how to insert any of the document or Word file or even a Gmail or another object into the Excel file or Word document. So for that, I have first copied the document. This is my document, that is the sample.docx. So I am now going to insert this in a workbook or the Excel sheet. It's not only that we can insert in Excel, we can either insert in workbook or any other document of the Word file. So the shortcut key is Alt key along with I and O. This is the shortcut. So the shortcut key is Alt I O. Now I am going to my Excel workbook and I will be inserting this document. My document is placed in YT and sample. So this is a destination path. Now I have opened my Excel. So with the help of shortcut key, that is Alt I O, we'll see a small window gets open. That is,
Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis.
that is nothing but create from file, then click browse and select the path where you have saved the document or the object or any of the file. Then select the document or email or any of the other documents, like including email as well. Then once you selected the particular file, click on insert. Here it shows with the entire path, but I don't want to see the entire path. So what I'll do here, since my file name is only sample, I will remove the extra additions, that is the path. Then again I'll click display as icon. Here we can change the icon, but I don't want to change the icon, so I'm just simply leaving and clicking on OK. If I want to read or open the Gmail, I'll just double click the icon. It will ask me whether to open or cancel, so I want to see open. Thank you friends for watching the video.